Hyperflux is a research project funded by Innovate UK and the Engineering and Physical Sciences Research Council. And the objective of Hyperflux is to try and bring what we've been doing in an academic context in terms of our CFD, GPU accelerated CFD research through to industry. So I first met the guys from Xenotech in 2012. This Innovate UK call came out, and it was a call called Towards Zero Prototyping. So the idea was to develop an enhanced set of computational simulation tools that you could use to digitally prototype high-value manufacturing products, so aerospace products, for example, without having to build prototypes. Also work with a company called NVIDIA, who supply the graphics cards that underpin Emerald and other large-scale supercomputers, and we have a very close working relationship with them, understanding how best to exploit their technology. Recently, we've been collaborating with a company called Kitware in the US, who make some open source software for visualizing the results of our CFD simulations. This software is called ParaView, and we were working with them the last 3 or 4 months, and NVIDIA, to create what's called an in-situ visualization pipeline, which essentially means we can look at our CFD results as soon as they're generated by the computer without having to write them to disk and email them to somebody and open them up separately. You can look at them live as they're produced. We'll be focusing on various things the next 3 years. One of them is to continue to develop our open source CFD tool called PyFR. We'll continue to work with the guys at Xenotech and CFMS to produce a commercial solution with this technology under the Hyperflux project. We're then particularly interested in running initially demonstrator test cases onto full-blown production test cases to show their capabilities relative to current industry standard CFD solutions. These test cases in the first instance will primarily come from the aerospace sector, but we also have test cases in the renewable energy sector and the automotive Formula One sector that we're working on.